and welcome back to another video. You're here with your boy Kel and Ellie. We are doing 3 simple customizations that you need to try at home.
Creative. We want to get creative, but we want to keep it simple.
We are going to be customizing these brand new Nike trainers. Pretty cool. If you do like this video and you want to see more types of videos like this, smash that like button, smash the notification bell, because if we do good on these, because guys, this is our first time. Hopefully these actually come out good. Like, we don't know. We might just be ruining these. We're going to customize a brand new pair of white Air Force Ones. Proper coming for Marco. Like, we're coming for you, bro. We're coming for you. No, we're not coming for him. If this video hits
1,000 likes, we will do a part 2 customizing
these
giveaway.
Air Force Ones.
For part 2 of the video, we're going to be doing a cheeky bit of, can you guess?
Is it tie-dye?
I'm gonna say guess, but I've been seeing this absolutely everywhere. I'm sure if you guys are on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you would have seen tie-dye, tie-dye, tie-dye. We've never done it. And I was like, bro,
why have we not done this?
Let's get on that. Because it actually looks quite easy. So we headed out to H&M and picked up
matching white tracksuits.
Let's hope we do not mess this up, because these are pretty sick on their own, but they're about to be extra lit.
I've seen so many pictures online. People like doing really cool pastel colors. We're going to tie-dye these.
The way to set this up is pretty simple. We're going to fill these up with warm water, some salt. We have picked out our colors. If you want like a full tutorial on how to do this, we'll link a video below, because we're not going to do the full tutorial. I don't want to bore you. Mixed up the dye, but now we need to prep the garms. Comment down below right now, whose do you think will be better, mine or Kel's? I'm going to use loads of elastic bands. I'm basically just going to like tie up random bits.
I'm just going to do this because this seems like the most.
Yeah, that looks like a cool technique. See, what do I do around the crotch, because I don't want it to look like a wee stain. I feel like I've done both sides very different. I thought this would be therapeutic. It's kind of stressful. This is actually going to be breasts.
Yeah.
Like, all I'm thinking is, I'm going to unravel this and just be bare disappointed.
A few moments later.
That took a long time.
My fingers are hurting.
This is my joggers, and right here is my hoodie. Wow. So I've gone for a much more like scrunched up look.
Yours is like,
I look like little clouds.
Like aliens. Look at this.
Ellie's
one.
gone for a different technique.
I do not know what technique. It was kind of like scrunch and band, but we are super excited to see how these come out.
Got this like big bucket box, and then we've put a grid on the top.
Because apparently you just chuck it on there, pour the dye in.
This is Ellie's pink one. Looks very, very pink. This is mine, and the blue ones come out like almost like purple.
I cannot wait to see how these come out. So we've left them for like 45 minutes, an hour to marinate. Then we have to wash them and all of that. But in the meantime, we're starting on the customized trainers.
We're just deciding what we're actually going to do. Like, I'm more worried about this one than I was the last one, because you can't really get tie-dye wrong. I think the first thing to do is let's take out the laces. I have these Louis Vuitton stickers here.
Like a funky stencil.
You can pick up online. We'll link it down below as well. Do
I'm
we do the tick? Do we do the shell? Do we do the sole? Like, what do we do? Prop it in arts and craft mode. Impressed, like, bro, are we gonna be customizing shoes? Should we start a business?
I'm actually ashamed.
But don't worry, I think Ellie's good at this. She can recover these. Right, people, make sure if you're enjoying this video so far, you smash a thumbs up on this, click that notification bell, and subscribe to this channel. Every other day we're uploading 6 PM UK time. Do not miss out.
Did you see the tie-dye? I am
so good.
So gassed. Like, that came out way better than I thought it was gonna come out. Like, I don't even know whose Tekka's was better. Like, yours was like kind of spread out. Mine was like kind of random.
But where my ones were, it was like really colourful.
Proper sick. Super happy about that. We're still in the process of the trainers. Obviously, we got to let the trackies dry. We'll wear them tomorrow and show you the full reveal.
Yeah, done the socks as well, and we even managed to mix the two colours, like the pink and the blue together, came out like pastel purple. Who would have thought? So we got 3 pairs of lit socks, a trainer that's pending at the moment. We've just kind of stuck all the stickers on, done the base coat. Now we're about to go in with like some crazy fire effect.
Red, orange, yellow, ombre.
Right now we're gonna get back to getting creative. It's the middle of the night. We are up. It's 1 a.m. We're painting shoes and dyeing trackies.
Let's get on with the painting.
Yeah, wish us luck, guys.
This is
That's
the ugliest shoe.
Bro, I feel bad. I feel like I've literally ruined this
Guys,
shoe.
I don't know what we was thinking.
Yeah.
What was you thinking? Look at Kel's close up. I actually feel sad.
Bro, these look like literally Play-Doh, bro. I swear to God, I would unsubscribe anybody and give them a slap if anyone tried to give these to me.
Look at this side. That's the worst bit.
Bro, wait, these are so bad. Wait, we need to cut the camera. Dabbing at that shoe.
Kel put so much paint on his. It's like, thank goodness that the freaking tie-dye came out good, because if that was a disaster as well, I'd actually just give up on life.
You can't expect us to get them all, mate. At least we got 2 out of 3. These are proper Wait, these are proper These are so dead, bro. Look at these.
Stop.
Wait, stop. Wait, these are so dead, bro. Wait, these are so trash. Wait, these are trash. Look how dead it looks.
Please, Dad. Stop.
Look how dead it looks. The shoe looks like it's got a disease. Wait, peeling the blood. Wait, be careful. They look like snot. The whole thing is so trash.
I hate them. I actually hate them. Oh, look. It freaking wipes off.
Wait, I'm just gonna clean it.
Why didn't we just leave it like that at the beginning?
They look good like that.
Like, we're f***ing fools, mate. I never ever want to customise a shoe in my life. How crazy was yesterday? I don't think I've laughed that much in forever. It was so funny, but pretty successful. Some wins, some losses.
I like the socks is one of the best things.
Right, yeah, look at the colour, like literally got it.
Look at Ellie's jogger set. For her first time doing it,
Look
I think,
at
like, guys, this is literally insane.
Guys, like,
she was thinking to crop out the jumper, like,
maybe
originally
like,
was going to cut the jumper here.
These are
I think it
pretty
looks
high
good.
waist. I am absolutely blown away. Like, I would pay good money for this.
Guys, what do you think in the comments? Rate it out of 10. I feel like a massive cloud, like a human cloud.
I mean,
bro. At first when I seen it on the rack, I was like, oh, I don't know if I like it, but now that it's on,
go back.
bro, I literally, I'm not even gonna lie, I proper like this. Good thing about this is like no one's gonna have the exact same hoodie as you. Still have these brand new trainers. Like, I don't even know, man. We had to put them in the washing machine. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, let us know in the comments down below.
Summary of this video, I was right. You know, at the beginning I said we weren't the best, but some things were a success. These tracksuits, 10 out of 10. The trainers, minus a million. But, you know,
our lilac socks as well,
guys.
guys.
We forgot. At least we had a laugh. We did something different. And like we said, if you want us to do a part 2, comment below what you want us to customize or give another go, because we're up for it.
Yeah,
definitely. We're up for it. Anyway, guys, we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.